Hi friends, I am Dr. Prabodh. I am going to tell you about a very important aspect of the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, the regulatory flow change for the standard development. Many people come with the question, I want to change particular standard and how quickly it can be possible. So let me tell you how the process takes place. Section 18 of the FSSAI Act talked about risk analysis, wherein the risk assessment and risk management are covered. In the regulatory flow of standard making in India, it is based on the same flow like what is covered in the codex. We called 7-step approach. Let's understand what are these 7 steps. You take the example, there is a milk and milk fat in the cow milk, the standard says 3.5 to 4.5. Now if you want to change some standard, how it will go? The first stage is having a problem, and whatever is your scientific substantiation, you will approach to the one of the association, and through association you will make the appeal to the FSSAI. FSSAI will table that through the scientific review group, which is made recently in last 2 years. All the applications are reviewed and proper application with authentic rationale, which are science based rationale, are covered. After that, stage number 3, it will go to the scientific panel. Many of the FST scientists are the part of the scientific panel as a individual capacity, and they are scientists. What they do? They do risk assessment, wherein the risk is actually understand what is the risk, what is the hazard, and how that risk is going to impact the population. Once the scientific panel approves that particular agenda, then it goes into the scientific committee. Again they do the risk assessment. Then it goes to the food authority, which is stage number 5. In food authority, they do the risk management. They will see how that particular proposition is scientifically correct and how it is going to impact. So they will see the big picture. They will not do the risk assessment again. They will do the risk management. Covering that risk management, and they may change the standard, or they may liberalize it or make it more stringent, and after the food authority approves that, then it will go to the legal ministry and health ministry for drafting the standard. At this stage, stage number 5, FSSAI may release the standard as notice calling or proposed standard. The whole intention is that the food business operator should get more time to comment. In legal authority, legal ministry, health ministry, parallelly Hindi conversion, they will also weight the standard legally. At any step, if something gets rejected, it will come back to the step number 2, which is a scientific panel. After that, after having a validation of the legal ministry, health ministry, the draft regulation get released, which is hosted on the website. And as India is a part of the WTO agreement, 60 days time is given for all the stakeholders to give the comments. The comments needs to be based on the rationale, based on the science. Comments are collected, and again the standards get reviewed, get accepted, or again goes into the scientific panel for any change. If you see all these meetings, FSSAI is having more than 350 scientists working, scientific committees are there, food authority, every meeting takes once in a quarter. So any change in the standards, ideal time, 7 steps into 3 months means minimum 24 months, 21 to 24 months. So standard making process is a complete scientific process. One should not rush. You need to have a good passion, good technical ability, scientific process, and a good follow. Common mistakes which we do not provide any scientific justification. Scientific panel looks only at the scientific justification, how it is relevant to the India. International standards you can give as a substance support, but just copy from some other country is not going to be acceptable. I hope you have understood. So just to summarize, there are 7-step process, starting with the application, scientific review group, scientific panel, scientific committee, food authority, then legal ministry, health ministry, draft regulation, and final regulation. I hope you could understand the process well, and you can support FSSAI by contributing this. Thank you.